Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can adjust the single coffee in the Saeco Grand Aroma Deluxe. So if you want to just once make the other coffee, let's click on it. And as you can see, there we have a few sliders. The first one is a coffee strength. The next one is a coffee length and the milk length. Now you can set the temperature, the foam level, and the milk first, or the coffee first, the order. Now you can also select the two coffees at one time, but if you don't have the coffee shot, you can also select the pre-ground coffee. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.